What's going on, cryptocurrency universe? It's the Bitcoin miner here, guys. I hope everybody had a great night. Well, this rig is running like a champ. We definitely figured out what the problem was, Kyle and I. Can't believe how clean these cards are for being a year and a half old. I wouldn't, I almost say they look practically brand new, other than a few dust specks right there on top, which are probably new from running in the garage. So, but this rig still has served me well, but unfortunately it takes up a lot of room, and I want to try to condense my box and put a little bit more in there, especially considering I have not had time to build underneath my deck yet. Too many projects going on. That has got put on the back burner, unfortunately, but we're going to go ahead and put this rig into this case and swap out all of the risers and see what it can do, and hopefully we won't have any issues switching everything over. Hopefully it's just as stable as it is running right now. So we'll go from there, guys. Stay tuned. Let's go ahead and inspect this card while you've got it out. Since we've got the first one, is it oily or anything down on the bottom, or?
No, it looks pretty clean on the bottom. Here we're pretty clean as well.
I don't notice any dust or anything.
No.
Very impressive. So it's worth a filtered box, guys. Morning, cryptocurrency universe. Well, Kyle and I got this box reset up over here to the left. We completely shifted everything over but the risers. That's the only thing in here new. It's amazing how this looks like a completely new rig, and it's a year and a half old. Well worth air filtering your rigs, guys, I promise. And it's performing extremely well. Look at that. 156 mega hashes. Dual mining, library at 100 mega hashes. So I'm very impressed. I'm happy with this. Haven't had any problems. We've got one more rig in the living room that we're going to check out later on. That one has not been an air filtered box. It's very dusty and very dirty. It's nowhere near as clean as this one. So I did this on purpose, wanting to do a test and see how well they performed. It was supposed to be a year, but I got married and been extremely busy. So there's your settings, guys, for an RX 480 8 gig cards. We're going to go ahead and put this guy in its new home, Kyle and I. Well, guys, I lied. It's not like just new. We were carrying it downstairs, and apparently I was really lucky. Kyle noticed this goop stuff right here. I'm assuming this is the oil. There was a little bit of oil we did wipe off with the paper towels that were falling from the top of the graphics cards down to the motherboard. So fortunately it seemed to fall in a good location where it has not zapped the board or affected it, but that is a flaw from stacking them above. The oil from the VR, from the RAM or the processors, actually I guess it's just the RAM, has the pads, the heatsink pads. After so long and so much heat, they start to produce some oil. We're going to have to check the one inside. It hasn't been nearly as well conditioned. This box has been really, really well conditioned. So I believe that the oil was very small. I didn't notice much on these cards actually at all. So I didn't even think about looking at the motherboard. The other one we were mentioning earlier, the one inside the living room, has a lot more oil on it, and we will cover that when we get to it. All right guys, Kyle and I have got it down here in the box. Isn't it so pretty? Yeah, look at that thing. Now I can put 2 of them in there. And just wait till I get the other one over here done, and this one. Those cards are big. I'm not sure if they're gonna fit, but I'm definitely gonna try it. All right, Kyle, do the honors. Turn that bad boy on for us, please. Here's to another 1.5 years mining. Thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you later on.